Say hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
What are we doing today, Mackenzie?
Making slime.
Making slime. Woo, first time making slime. Slime kits. Got our chocolate milks. All right, let's see what we got to do here. All right, Nickelodeon slime. So first...
Oh, we have to do that.
Yeah. First, we measure 15 mLs of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup. Okay, so let's see. Remove the last contents of glue from the bottle to fill. Okay. So this.
Gotta make it all up. Get this out. We stuck. We stuck. We stuck.
Alright, so you're going to pour this into this right here. I'm going to tell you when to stop.
Okay.
We need 15 mLs. Okay. Go ahead. Pour. Can you get it? Or is it too hard?
It's too hard.
Okay, you want to hold the cup and let me pour?
Yeah.
Okay.
You pour it.
Clear slime glue. I hope this is what I need. Clear glue. Yeah. Okay.
Is it so harder?
Yeah, it is hard, kind of. Ooh! Oh, I got it on your fingers!
I put off.
Wipe it off. Oh, man.
So, about all that stuff I said back at the beach, I guess I kind of overreacted.
You need a lot.
It was all on my finger. It was all on my finger.
Set this down on the floor.
Hey, get a paper towel from my finger.
Get that paper towel up there.
Okay.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Is that 15? Let's see how much that is. That is 10. We still got quite a bit to put in there.
Turns out I do well with dragonflies.
Is that the slime?
He's real. He's headed this way. Oh no. See, I told you. Put a cork in it, Smurfette. The way I see it, you and your little boyfriends led him straight to it. Of course.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. What color is this top, Mackenzie?
Yay.
What color is this top?
I don't know.
You know what color this is?
It's green.
This is green, yeah. Let's see where we're at now. Oh. We are at... We're almost there. Got us some glitter. Man, this thing's hard.
Gonna make it all the way up and up.
Always used with adults.
Let me see it.
Kids, used it with your parents.
Let me see.
I think it's good. Let me see. Where are we at? Oh, yep. We are good. We actually might be a little bit over, but it's okay. Alright.
Alright, we need to get this out.
Measure 25 ml of water, room temperature. Pour into the same bowl as the glue.
But he has to make
And pour it
all
into the
up.
bowl. Okay, so now I gotta pour the glue into the bowl. You gotta pour that into the bowl.
Okay. I poured it.
Really?
See, I did it.
Alright, we just poured our water in there. 25 mLs of water, which you can measure with the cup too. And this is the Nickelodeon Slime Crazy Art Kits. Alright, let's see what's next. Alright, so do you want glow in the dark slime? Or do you want neon slime? You want this one or this one?
That one.
You want that one? Okay. So we're going neon slime, which is the pink. So measure 1 spoonful of colorant and add it to the glue and water. Okay.
Okay, glue.
So we need this one, the pink one.
Yeah. We need to take it out.
Take it out.
And we need to take it apart.
Alright, let me see. 1 spoonful. Where's the spoon that come with it? Right there. The green one. Alright. Hold on, guys. We'll be right back. Say, be right back. Say, we'll be right back. Tell everybody you'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
Hold on a minute, guys. Alright, we're back. We're going to put a spoonful of the pink in there. Dip your spoonful in. Be careful not to spill it. Oh, it's not really a
Put it in
spoonful
here?
yet. Put it in there. Can you get it? Did it come out?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see. See if I can't put a little bit more in there.
Let me do it too. Let me do it.
Alright.
Hey, there's some more.
Stir the mixture of glue, water, and additive with slime stick until fully blended. Okay, so take a stick and we're gonna mix it. You give me that.
Can we mix it?
Yep, go ahead and mix it.
It's all mixed up.
Mix, 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 mix.
It is mixed up.
Okay, let mommy try. We want it to where it's all pink. Pink, pink, pink. What's your favorite color, Mackenzie?
Pink and green.
Pink and green? Alright, so you'll mix all of these together.
That's enough. That's enough.
Yep, I think it's enough. I think you're right. There you go. We're going to close this back.
And
Make sure you use a towel, kids.
Maybe already got a towel.
Alright, measure 5 mLs of slime activator. So we're going to pour 5 mLs into this of that, okay?
Okay. Let me pour it.
Don't spill it. Let me see. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. 5 mL, so right there. Okay, go ahead and pour. Squeeze.
Can't squeeze.
Stop.
Hard.
Let me see. Let me see.
Hard.
Oh, there's a tab we gotta take off. Hey. All right.
It's not squirrel.
Still can't get it?
No.
Okay, let me do it. Let me try. Hold it up so I can see.
It's harder. I think that's enough.
Let me see. We got 5 mLs here.
I think
We got, hold on. Yep, we got 5 mLs. So, wait a minute.
that's enough.
Slowly pour into the same bowl while stirring slowly with slime stick. Okay, so do you want to pour or do you want to stir? I'll stir. You pour it slow. Pour it slow, okay?
Okay.
Slow, 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 slow. Slow, I said
I did
slow.
I did it.
Mm-hmm.
I did it, Mama.
You did it, didn't you?
Yeah. It's all fun. It's all
Do not stir, use the absorb. Stir until all...
It's so good.
Hold on, don't touch it yet. It says don't touch it. We got slime, guys. Say we've got slime, guys.
So fun, guys.
What color is the slime?
Pink.
Pink. Yay. Okay, let me see.
It's stuck. Sketchy. Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Does it feel like slime?
Yeah, really like.
Get the slime off the stick.
Oh.
Pooh. Pull. Pull some more off of here. Don't wipe it on you. Slime. Ooh.
Can we get it out?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get some and you get some. Wait.
Can we get some?
Okay, pull some for me.
Can I get this out for me?
No, you just put it with the rest of it.
I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
And you got slime. Ooh.
I want some
Squishy,
more
squishy
slime.
slime. Get it out the bowl. You definitely got slime. That is slime. Cool. We've got slime, guys.
That's fine, guys.
Mhm.
Got
Woo.
some more.
Mhm.
Is it the slime?
We got slime, guys.
The slime, guys.
Like snot.
Look, Mama.
Yeah.
Look,
You like it?
I like slime. Also a little bit slime. Mama.
Kids, tell your parents it's Nickelodeon slime kit.
Ah,
Very easy to make. Very cool.
very cool.
We like slime, don't we?
Yeah. Oh, the big,
Whee!
big slime.
Wee, 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 wee.
Woo!
Woo!
Ah.
Oh, no, don't get it. Don't get it on the carpet. Keep it on the... We're getting it everywhere. Mm-hmm. We've got it everywhere. Everywhere. Oh, no. Alright, everyone. That's our slime.
Like my hand.
Ooh. Say ooh. Slimy hands. Ah. Alright, bye everyone.
Bye, everyone.
See you later.
See